All right, we're going to record a real quick screencast about CVs. If you want to see a sample CV that's mine, go to reading list, go to that little sample D Nesham thing, open up Nesham Vita, and this is what a CV looks like. It's a curriculum vitae. It means course of study for my entire life. As an academic, it's 14 odd pages long. Give you guys vertigo while I scroll through it. It has everything I've ever done as an academic. So it's got my associations, going back to when I was just a starting out PhD student. Um, that's awards, fellowships, and assistantships. All right, that's a whole bunch of service. Here are my conferences. Here are my book reviews and articles. So you're going to create a CV for your player. And if you go into assignments in the curriculum vita, there's sample for Sergeant Zim. He's a goofy little player I created just as an example. And if you click on his vita, oh, it's down here in the bottom, sorry. If you download his vita, you'll see it doesn't have much on it. It's got his fake address, his Twitter thing, his fake but real address at UT Austin, his BA degrees, just put the year 2018 for you guys, and then his retweeted publications that Von Ranke has retweeted for him. So I want you guys to make your own CV. You're going to need it eventually when you apply for jobs and other stuff later on in the game. It's worth 10 points, and if you have more questions, let me know. All right.